Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Teacher Carol and I will be your English teacher for today. This is Consider's Art English online class. Now before we will start, please prepare your family and friends to class book, your yellow book, your pencils and erasers. With this video, we will be covering the pages from 14 to 16. Our lesson is on Unit 2 with title, They're Happy Now. We will be also learning some vocabulary words about feelings and emotions. We will be also learning about contractions, affirmative and negative way to respond to a question. Now, are you ready? Let's start. Okay, the first part of our discussion, we will be learning feelings and emotions vocabulary. Feelings and emotions vocabulary. Okay, to start, we have here, first is hot. Next, cold. Hungry. Next we have thirsty, happy, and sad. Now let's read again the vocabulary words we have here. Hot, cold, hungry, thirsty, happy, and sad. Okay, now let's proceed. This time we will have conversation time. Now we have two parts. Okay, first, teacher will read and you will repeat after. Now the second part is we are going to read the conversation together. Okay? First part is repeat after teacher. Okay? Read and repeat after teacher. That's the first part. And the second part is we will read it all together. Okay, let's start. Number 1. Hello, babies. They're twins, brother and sister. Number 2. Oh no, they're crying. Are they hot? No, they aren't. Number 3. Are they cold? No, they aren't cold. Okay, number 4. Look, apples. Can the babies eat apples? Yes, what a good idea. Number 5. Look, they're hungry. Yes, they like apples. Number 6. They're happy now. And we're happy too. Okay, good job. Now let's do the second part. We are going to read the conversation together. Okay, let's read one more time. Okay, I will be counting 1, 2, 3 and then we will start. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Hello, babies. They're twins, brother and sister. Oh no, they're crying. Are they hot? No, they aren't. Are they cold? No, they aren't cold. Look, apples. Can the babies eat apples? Yes, what a good idea. Look, they're hungry. Yes, they like apples. They're happy now, and we're happy too. Okay, good job everyone. Now let's move on to our next lesson. Okay, let's learn about contraction. So what is a contraction? What is the meaning of contraction? Okay, let's find it out. Okay, contraction is a word formed by joining two other words. Okay, it means that we have two words we are going to combine together to make it into one word. Okay. Second is an apostrophe shows which a letter have been left out. An apostrophe shows where a letter have been left out. Okay, if it is two words, we're going to combine it together. We are going to take out a letter and then replace it with an apostrophe. Okay, now let's continue. We have here contractions. For number one, first contraction is where. Where. Now, which means where is from two words, which is we are. Okay, where is derived from two words combining we are. Number two, there. There. Okay, there is from the words they are. There is a combined words from they are. Example here, we're happy. We're happy. Now, when you are using the word where or we are, you are referring to yourself together with some other people or together with your friend. Okay, as you can see in the picture, there is Rosie and Tim. Okay, depending on them who is talking, it's just the same. Example, Rosie is the one who's talking. We're happy, which means Rosie herself and Tim are happy. Okay, using using where, you are referring to yourself and to the other person together. Okay, next we have here another picture. The twins. They're hungry. They're hungry. Okay, you were describing some other people. Let's just put this way that Rosie is the one who's talking and she is referring to the twins. They're hungry. When you say there or they are, you are referring to another person. Okay? You yourself is the speaker talking about another person. That's they are or there. Okay, next we have a question and answer. Look at the picture and the question is, are they hot? Are they hot? Now the answer is no, they aren't. No, they aren't. Next we have here another picture. Are they happy? Are they happy? Look at the picture. Are they happy? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Okay, here we have here two types of response. The affirmative way and the negative way using they are. Okay, using they are. Now, if somebody asks you and in your place, it's not true, it's like in negative way, you're going to answer, no, they aren't. If it is in affirmative way, you're going to answer, yes, they are. No, they aren't. Yes, they are. Okay, remember. Okay, let's move on. Next, we have activity time. Okay? With this activity, now I'm going to show you a picture and you will answer if it is where or there. Okay? Look at the picture first and then we are going to identify the answer if it is where or we are or there they are. Okay, remember when we say we are, you were including, okay? You are talking about yourself together with other person, okay? Yourself and the other person as you as the speaker. When we say there, you were referring to another person. You as the speaker, you are talking about another person. Okay? Now, what do you think is the answer? By looking at the picture, is it where or there? Where or there? Now, the boy is the one who's talking and he is talking about two other girls. So, what do you think is the answer? Where or there? What's your answer? Okay, let's find out the answer. The correct answer is there. Okay, for number 2, look at the picture. What do you think is the answer? Is it where or there? Where or there? What's your answer? Okay, the correct answer is where, because the boy is talking or referring to himself and his friend. Okay, for number 3, what do you think is the answer? Is it where or there? Remember, they were together. Look at the girls in the picture. They were together. Where or there? What's your answer again? Okay, let's find out. And the correct answer is where. Okay, next for number 4. We have here a classroom setting. There is a teacher and 3 students. Now, the teacher is the one who's talking. Remember? The teacher is the one who's talking. What do you think is the answer? Isn't it where or there? Where or there? Now, what's your answer? Okay, let's find out. And the correct answer is there, because the teacher is talking or speaking about the students, not himself including. Okay? Okay, let's move on to our next lesson. The affirmative and negative way to respond to a question. affirmative and negative response to a question with using they are and we are. Okay, how do you answer question with they are and we are? Okay, we have 4 different ways to answer. Okay, that is in affirmative and negative way. For number 1, first we will discuss about they are. So what are the negative and affirmative way to answer with they are? Okay, number 1 is yes, they are. Yes, they are. Number 2, this is the negative way. No, they aren't. No, they aren't. Number 3, this is with we are. Okay, we are. Okay, for the affirmative way, you can answer yes, we are. Yes, we are. And for number 4, this is the negative way. No, we aren't. No, we aren't. Okay, let's review. Number 1 is with the affirmative way. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. For number 2, in a negative way, we have no, they aren't. No, they aren't. Okay, for number 3, with we are, we have yes, we are. Yes, we are. Number 4, no, we aren't. No, we aren't. Okay, understood? Okay, now let's move on. Okay, I have here an example, and you are going to answer what is the possible answer based on the question. Now remember, we are. Okay, when we say we are. When we say they are, you are referring to other person, like they are. We are, they are. Okay? Now for number 1, are they hot? Is it yes or no? Are they hot? Isn't it yes, they are? No, they aren't. Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Now, from the question itself, we have there, are they? So, our keyword there is they. So, we only have they words from number 1 and number 2. So, the possible answer for this question is only from number 1 and number 2. Now, are they hot? Yes, they are, or no, they aren't. What is your answer? Okay, let's see. The answer is yes, they are. For number 3, are they cold? Are they cold? Okay, someone is asking, not the 2 boys in the picture, okay? Okay, what is the possible answer? Is it yes, they are? No, they aren't. Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Now, from the question itself, we have they. So, the possible answer is from number 1 and number 2. Are they cold? Okay, look at the picture. Are they feeling cold? Okay, is it yes, we are, or no, we aren't? Let's find out. The correct answer is no, they aren't. Okay, why? Why no? Because they feel hot, not cold. Okay, for number 4. Now, are you happy? Are you happy? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Now, this time, the person who asked question is the teacher, right? And the person who is going to answer that question are not the teacher. Besides, it's the students. So the students, when answering, they were referring to themselves. Okay, so what do you think is the key word to this question? Isn't it they or we? Okay, the key word here is we, because the students are the one who's answering the question. Now, what is the correct answer? When I said that the keyword is we, so we have only two options, which is number 3 and number 4. Now, what is the answer from the question? Are you happy? Okay, let's find out. The correct answer is yes, we are. Okay, correct. Good job. Okay, next is we will be learning more words about feelings and emotions. Okay, earlier we have learned few words. Now we have more words to learn. Okay, we have here first we have tired, tired, angry, angry, scared, scared, brave, brave, and nervous, nervous. Okay, let's read all together the vocabulary words. We have there tired, angry, scared, brave, and nervous. Okay. Now, before we will move on to our further discussion, let's read this song. Okay, we will just reading all the texts. We are not singing it today. Okay, we will just reading. Okay, now repeat after teacher. This is entitled, If You're Tired and You Know It. Okay, let's start. If you're tired and you know it. If you're tired and you know it. Go to sleep, snore, snore. If you're tired and you know it, go to sleep, snore, snore. If you're tired and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're tired and you know it, go to sleep, snore, snore. If you're scared and you know it, hug yourself, hug, hug. If you're angry and you know it, stamp your feet, stamp, stamp. Okay, now let's move forward with our next lesson. Now this time, we have learned words or vocabulary words about feelings and emotions, right? Now this time we will do spelling each word. We are going to spell each words. Okay, now let's start. First we have here hot, hot. That's H-O-T, hot. Next we have cold, cold. That's C-O-L-D, cold. Next we have hungry, hungry. H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. Thirsty, T-H-U-R-S-T, thirsty. And why? Thirsty. We have here happy. That's Happy, happy. Then we have here sad. That's SAD, sad. We also have here tired. That's TIRED, tired. Next we have angry. That's ANGRY, angry. Next we have scared. SCARED, scared. Next, brave. That's BRAVE, brave. Lastly, we have here nervous. We have NERVOUS, nervous. Okay. Now, next is a recap. Let's recap. Okay. Let's recap what you have learned for today's video. Okay, first part, we have learned about the vocabulary words about feelings and emotions. We have here hot, cold, hungry, thirsty, happy, sad, tired, angry, scared, brave, and nervous. Again, we have here hot, cold, hungry, thirsty, happy, sad, tired, angry, scared, brave, and nervous. Now next, we have also learned about contraction. What are the definition of contractions? First, we have contraction is a word formed by joining two other words. An apostrophe shows where a letter have been left out. Okay, what are the contractions or contracted word we have learned today? We have here number one, where or were. Number one is were, derived from the words we are. Number two, we have there, derived from the words they are. We also have learned about affirmative and negative. Affirmative and negative response to a question using with words they are and we are. Okay, number one, we have there, yes, they are. Number two, no, they aren't. Number three, yes, we are. And lastly, number four, no, we aren't. Okay. Now, for your homework, please get your family and friends book and then open your books to page 15. Answer activity number 3. Now look and match. Match the pictures to the contracted words. If it is were or there, okay? Match the picture to the word. That is for your family and friends book. Next, still on your family and friends book, answer activity number 4, still on page 15. Now, complete each conversation. Write your answers to the blanks. Your choices are, yes, they are, no, they aren't, yes, we are, no, we aren't. Okay? Write your answer to the blank or the space provided. Next, for your homework, this is for your yellow book. Okay, yellow book. Now, I have here 5 sentences that aren't contracted yet. Now, all you need to do is contract the first 2 words and write that on the blank, complete it with a sentence. Now, example, we have here number 1. We are happy. We and are will be joining together. We and are will joining together and make it into were, and then happy. Were spelled as W-E apostrophe R-E and then happy. Were happy. Okay? Now, for your next activity, this is the last one. Still for your yellow book. Now, rewrite these sentences on your yellow book. Okay? Copy and write this on your yellow book. Now, remember, write 2 times. Not 1 time, but 2 times. 2 times on your yellow book. Okay? Each sentence will be written 2 times. We have here 10 sentences. Okay, understood? Okay, now that's it for today. Hope you learned from Teacher Carol. See you soon. Bye-bye.